In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys an exclusive tour of my apartment in 2026. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Contactkokusfx, a Nigerian forex trader, and in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys on an exclusive tour of where I'm living currently in 2026. And behind me is a wooden door, and inside that wooden door is where I'm living currently. I'm going to be taking you guys inside the door to show you guys what the inside is made of. If that what you're interested in, subscribe to the channel and then let's get inside to see what the inside looks like. Let's go. So guys, opening the door, and this is how it looks like, and everywhere is literally dark. And open the window. So guys, this is how it looks like, and when I'm starting with the mirror. This is a mirror. Like after dressing up, this is I don't know the name to give this mirror, but this is a mirror, and this is where these are my shoes and my slippers. So these are my jogging shoes and stuff, and this is where I'm laying for the moment. This is my bed. Actually, actually this bed was wider, but I have to cut it so that I'm gonna be uncomfortable, because this is not a place I'm supposed to be comfortable in. So I made it to be uncomfortable, and if the thing should trigger my head again, I'm gonna be cutting the bed until I'm gonna be laying like this. And this is my cat right here. What's up? Guess the name of this cat. The name of this cat is TP, Take Profit. So I intentionally named this cat Take Profit, and I have like two other cats, but they are not here yet. Her name is Take Profit. And the other cat, the other is Simba, and the other one is Sniper. So Sniper entry plus Take Profit equals to profitability. Don't play. And guys, I have my toothbrush and stuff here, and this is my bag and my bag right here. And what else? Okay, you guys should come closer. And here, this is my like call it trading. But video me. We like call it trading desk. This is my trading desk. Video the book. So the first day I heard about Forex and what is Forex. So I've been able to, like, I bought all this exercise book, and all of them are filled with Forex stuff. So literally this was all the book I used in studying, like from the moment I heard about Forex. This is the book throughout. So inside all this book is content related stuff and my YouTube stuff. And these are the cords. Like, this phone is giving me iPhone problem. Like, I bought in a month, I'm buying like 3 iPhone cord, which is not good. And here is my headset. Like, whenever I'm backtesting or trading, I love playing music. And this is my second-hand camera stand. I'm gonna be getting a new one soon when Forex pays off. And this is the trading deck stuff. And here, this is my mini kitchen. Will I call it a mini kitchen? Yeah, this is a mini kitchen. Record me. I used to have a gas cylinder. But I sold it to fund my Forex account. I know I haven't told you guys this before, but I'm not telling you guys in this video. I used to have a gas cylinder, but I sold it, and that's cool. So this is really for the video, just a quick one. But let me tell you guys something, bro. Come. So let me tell you guys something there. The essence of recording this video, because most of you will be like, so what's the essence of recording this video? This is the exclusive tour. Yeah, the essence of recording this video is actually for my future self. Like, it's a kind of documenting my throwback, because this is a throwback. I'm recording my throwback. Yeah, I know that this is a throwback. So when I'm also gonna be giving you guys an exclusive tour of my 5-bedroom duplex. So I'm gonna be comparing like before and after. All right, so this is a kind of before, so the after is loading. So that's why you need to subscribe to the channel, because very soon I'm gonna be recording the after. Most of you guys will be like, I know when this guy started, man. So that's what God can do for you, and that's what hard work can also do for you. So the essence of this video is that I'm trying to tell myself that the trading will change my life, and the trading will change my life. Yeah, because there's power in the tongue, and not just saying it, I'm putting in the work. I know that one day this might throw back, I'll watch it and I'll be like, God, you are grateful. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I guess it was insightful. It's just a quick one, and if you find this video insightful, please do well to check out this video above here where I shared how to calculate lot size on USD pair. So check out the video here to learn how to calculate lot size on USD pair if you are struggling on how to calculate lot size on USD pair. And also subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See your boy Gbpusd. Peace.